Do you know how many failures it takes to become successful? Is it 10? Is it 100? Is it 1,000? Well, the answer to this question is different for everyone. But one thing that we can all agree on is that becoming successful doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, dedication, and most importantly, resilience. Today, I have a powerful motivational story that will inspire you to keep going no matter how many times you fail. The story I'm about to tell you is not just a story. It's a testament to the human spirit, a celebration of resilience, and an ode to the power of dreams. In a world where success is often the focus and failure is seen as a setback, this story reminds us that it's not how many times you fall that matters, but how many times you get back up. It's a story that will resonate with anyone who has ever chased a dream, faced rejection, and still dared to hope. So let's dive into this story and see what valuable lessons we can learn from it. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Sarah. Sarah had a dream. She wanted to be a fashion designer. She had a passion for it since she was a little girl. She would spend hours sketching designs, creating beautiful pieces that showcased her unique style. As she grew older, her dream didn't fade away, it only intensified. So after graduating from high school, she decided to take a course in fashion designing. The course was tough, but Sarah was determined to succeed. She studied hard, learned the skills, and created some stunning designs. But when it came time to showcase her work, something unexpected happened. The judges, a panel of renowned fashion designers, weren't impressed. They criticized her designs, pointing out flaws and suggesting that she wasn't talented enough. Sarah was devastated. Her dream was slipping away, and she started to believe that maybe they were right. Maybe she wasn't cut out for this. She almost gave up. But then she remembered the countless hours she spent sketching, the passion that burned within her. She couldn't let her dream die, so she went back to the drawing board. Determined to improve, Sarah worked tirelessly. She observed other designers, analyzed their techniques, and incorporated their strengths into her own work. She experimented with new materials, textures, and styles. And most importantly, she believed in herself again. For the next 2 years, she worked relentlessly, honing her skills, refining her designs, and waiting for her chance to shine. Then came the day she had been preparing for. A prestigious fashion show was announced, and Sarah decided to submit her collection. She poured her heart and soul into the collection. Each piece was a masterpiece, a testament to her talent and hard work. When the big day arrived, Sarah presented her collection. The runway came alive with her designs. The models strutted with confidence, showcasing each garment's intricate details. The audience was mesmerized. They applauded as each model made their way down the runway. And when Sarah took her final bow, she knew she had arrived. It wasn't just the applause that echoed in her ears, but the muffled murmurs of disbelief from the judges. She had done it. She had proven them wrong. After the show, the judges approached her, their faces a mixture of surprise and admiration. They congratulated her, acknowledging her talent and hard work. Sarah had won. She had faced countless rejections, endured self-doubt, and persevered through challenges, and now she was being celebrated as a rising star in the fashion world. This story isn't just about Sarah's journey to success, it's about the journey itself. It's about the failures she faced, the rejections she endured, and the unwavering belief she had in her dream. Every successful person out there has a story like this, a story filled with failures, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. But what sets them apart is their ability to pick themselves up, learn from their failures, and keep moving forward. So if you're chasing your dreams and facing rejection, remember Sarah's story. Remember that success is not the absence of failure, but the presence of resilience. It's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you rise. And if you enjoyed this story, please let me know in the comments. Your feedback is my motivation to keep bringing you more inspiring stories. Thank you for listening, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.